Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove or clear your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing this on the PC version. You can use the mobile version as well, and I'm pretty sure you can use any other device as well. However, I'll be focusing solely on the website version. So once you're on the website, once you're logged in, as you can see, I am on the main page of Prime Video. You just have to hover over your profile icon. Then once you're here, you have all these buttons here, and all you need to do is press on account and settings, and you'll be brought to this page. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of tabs over here. You have orders, player, restrictions, subtitles, etc. You want to go into watch history, which is, well, pretty obvious, and then you can either click whichever movie you want to delete or whichever episode you want to delete, and you can see which episodes you watched of a certain series once you scroll down, and then you can completely delete whole series episodes you've watched from your watch history, or you can delete singular movies, and that's pretty much it. For example, you just click on them, and as you can see, you might still see this video for a few more days, but after that it will be removed from your watch history, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.